cottage pie.
Some of you may say it as shepherd's pie, but it is cottage pie. I love cottage pie because my mom used to make it for me, and that's how I knew she loved me. Here's what we need.
Beef.
Cauliflower.
Tomato paste.
Potato.
Not a cottage pie without corn.
Parsley.
Salt and pepper, of course.
Onions. Garlic.
Miscellaneous things.
Red wine.
Now that we have all our ingredients, we always start with making the mash. We always like to do a 50-50 split of cauliflower and potato. It doesn't have to be exactly 50-50, but we like it, it tastes good, and it's a little bit healthier. Now, when it's nice and brown and cooked, we take it out.
Wow, it's nice and brown and cooked.
Serve it up and enjoy.
Thanks for watching.
Until next time, stay hungry.
Stay hungry. Unsociably high.